Popcorn likes it. Popcorn likes the kale stick. I usually get them the honey stick, but she's liking it. Let's see. So in the white bowl, I give them fruit seed with their molting seed and like 3 drops of it's the bird hemping oil with omega, because Angel's still molting a little bit. She's getting way better. Oh my God, it helps so much. Popcorn's molting was so quick and easy. She lost her feathers, but oh my gosh, she just recovered so good. But Angel, it took her a while. But Popcorn's loving the kale stick and the fruit seeds. Yay! Well, it was a plus. Bye.